you go to your browser and search for Google Vids or just Vids. From all the results that show up, be careful to select the one that is from docs.google.com that says Google Vids sign in. Now that we are on the interface, first you are welcome with this, that is the timeline for the videos you're going to do, or the automatic order for the first scene you're going to produce. Then towards the left, you will see these options here. So this is not just only to produce a video. You can do voiceover for your videos, which can be for a scene or all the scenes. You can add images from AI to help you get images into your project. You can even record, upload files, add stock files, add captions to your video, add text to your videos, and so many more. So the first option here is the VEO AI. That's our first business here. We click on that and you will see we have it as our AI video clip under VEO 3.1. For now, I think this is the only available model. If other models are here, you can select. Then you select this drop down where you can select either to create your video from text, which is create from scratch, or you select turn an image into a video by adding your own image if you have it ready. You add your image here, add your prompt, and you generate. I'm going to try the two options,